Roofing products unboxing episode 2. Steve Wells from JJ Roofing Supplies. I'm at our distribution hub, St Albans. I seem to live here these days, but we've had a fantastic delivery of one of our really popular products, which is the WonderRIDGE Universal Dry Ridge Kit. And it's universal because it'll work for clay and concrete, which means it'll have the extra ridge to ridge seals, which is great. As you can see, the box is all marked up BS 8612, which is the new British standard, latest British standard for dry fix. And we're going to open the box up just to let you guys have a sneak peek of exactly what's in that box that you're getting when you purchase this product. So let's have a look what's inside. So the first product that we can see is obviously the biggest part of it, which is the ridge roll. So this ridge roll is 6 meters long. Elastic band to hold it all in position in the box. As you can see, that's the ventilation membrane, and you can see the butyl strips down either side that holds it in place when you form that into your tiles, yeah? Which is really good, 6 meters long. We've also got the ridge tree fixings, which are brackets. Got a pair of scissors here today, because obviously it will make it a little bit easier to get that apart so you can see what you're getting for your money. Very important part of the kit, these ridge tree brackets. They actually hold the whole length of the ridge to the roof. So it's really important that you use them. Don't just throw them in the skip. They also come with the screws and the self-sealing washers. So there's obviously enough there to do 20 seals if you go for clay ridges, which are normally 305mm long. So you need more ridge to ridge seals, which is great. As you can see, they've got self-sealing washers to make them nice and watertight, yeah? There's 2 packs of the ridge to ridge seals. The central slot takes the screwed fixing bracket, and the outer ones take the pushing clip versions that hold it in place. Break one of these packets open. These are the edge fixings, so these go either side. And then through the middle, you've got the main fixing, which has got the screw hole in it, which takes the wood screws through with the washers. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Really good kit, really popular with our customers. We've just had an Arctic loading of stuff in, so that's great. We've now got 2 boxes that will appear on our special clearance lines on our website from our first attempt at the video. I hope you've pressed the record button, Nick, rather than the photo. It's a really good product. It's really popular, and it's really well received by our customer base. Go to our website, you can buy them in line, they're available in store, because at JJ Roofing Supplies, if it's on the roof, we stock it. You have a great afternoon, and thanks for tuning in.